Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorials. Hindi po talaga ako masyadong marunong mag makeup, but I'm just gonna show you how I do my makeup, and yeah, that's it. So keep watching. First, I'm just gonna do the lip balm first. So this is my face without makeup, guys. My bare face. Next is I'm going to put some of a serum. Try for a bit. Para mawala po yung mga eye bags natin dyan. Moisturizer. Don't forget your neck. Primer. This brush for my foundation, but sometimes I just use my fingers. It's easier that way, but now I'm just gonna use brush. Magpapaganda po ako ngayon kasi magta-travel po ako sa living room namin kasi hindi pa maka-travel kasi quarantine. So sa ano muna, sa bahay. And of course, don't forget your neck. I'm gonna use my sponge to blend the foundation on my face. Nilagyan ko siya ng mist para po ewan ko. Basta yun yung sabi nila. Ang ganda daw. So, while blending this foundation, I just want to say hi to one of my subscribers, Nix Andia Sodando. Hi Andias, and to my best friend who always support me, who always commented in every video I have, and her name is Lailani. Hello there. And to all my friends and family, char. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, I will try my best to make a good video for you guys. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it because I think it's easier. I'm using dark brown. This is a set. This one have this, and then the other one, and then have this one. This is a Thai brand, and have some brush, which is really cool. So you have 3-in-1 for your eyebrow because kilay is life. I'm gonna choose one. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of red. This, I'm gonna put it like this one. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna use this because I don't know how to put false eyelashes. So I'm just gonna use mascara. So I just gonna put brown eyeliner. I'm gonna use this for contour. And for my nose line, I'm gonna use this color. So for my blush on, I'm gonna put this color. And now for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Thai brand lip liner first. To achieve the gothic look. I'm going to put highlighter. So this is the finished look, guys. Cortina, guys, cortina. Curtains. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, just comment down below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Love you all.